Welcome back to Broke SEDC. Man, I got a little concept action got passed through to me. The Link. Ooh, man, oh man. 80s CamoCarbon, black wash titanium. A triple stripe knives design. That thing has got a solid look to it. It is a looker for damn sure. That 18-year-old Canadian Johnathan Shaw's throwing that shit out. Overall length 7.15 inches. Blade length 3.0, dead on the 3-inch mark. Got a little Damascus steel happening there. Tanto harpoon action, flat ground. There's a little bit of like a hollow in there or something. It's a compound. It's not completely flat. You can kind of see it. See the action on it. Ooh, it just drops right on it. Front flipper. Big fin gets it done. Fidget machine right here. I mean, it really likes that back flick. It don't like me and eyes all over that damn lock bar. Them thumb studs don't like me too much from big meathead hands. So it's pretty much reverse flicking. Man, that damn front flipper thwacks. All 4 fingers rest great on this thing. And that harpoon catches the thumb just right to get just nasty with that grip. And in that solid grip, no hot spot whatsoever. That thing melts away. You don't even see that clip. Negatory. Lefties are out of luck on this one. But man. Billboarding. Kansept usually hits it pretty good. The mark blends off in that Damascus. Nothing on the handles. Nice and clean. No more hardware than is necessary, holding in that large back spacer into that hidden lanyard hole. And that clip milled titanium, in and out, no problem. And it's got some killer action. And this Damascus steel on these is a premium composite of 9CR and 440 stainless. So it kind of gets a little bit better than the lower grade Damascus that sometimes people are pushing. Definitely better than the carbon-based Damascus. So, man, I am really liking that one. And I'm always a fan of that 80s CamoCarbon. That stuff just pops. What do y'all think of the Link? There was, let's see, a couple other styles. You can get it in like a green micarta. There's a couple other options. There's like a Damascus steel looking titanium that's like a Damascus studs. That's what it was. That one's about $320. It's on up there, a little pricey. You can get into one of these on the cheap end in the 182 mark with the 20 CV blade and green micarta, which would be a solid carry. So what do you think, folks, of the triple Johnathan Shaw design? It's got a thwack to it. Feels good in the hand. It's a winner over here at the old Broke SEDC. Y'all smash that thumbs up. Give me the comment, and check out Knifeholics on Saturday night, y'all. Stay sharp. Stay safe.